Hi, it's Del from Future You Success and welcome back to the second video in the 40-day Affiliate Marketing Challenge, where we're trying to see if we can earn money from affiliate marketing as beginners from scratch. I started affiliate marketing after a life change event with my employment ending. Starting as a beginner, I made a load of mistakes, but although today I earn an income from my affiliate business, I wanted to take things back as if I was beginning today, to help you start in your own affiliate marketing journey. So, what are the steps you need to take from the ground up to getting yourself launched with your own part-time business? So, as explained in the first video, we came up with 40 days as the challenge time frame because whilst most challenges you come across seem to be 30 days, they don't seem, well, to me anyway, to take into account the setup time before you go live. And as we're building our business part-time and only allowing 1, perhaps 2 hours maximum a day, we've put aside 10 days for this initial getting ourselves set up and in position before we launch. Oh, and a few other things to take into account in our startup affiliate business. We're not going to run any paid ads. We're only going to use organic traffic and only one platform to promote our product in. That way we can learn the basics without jumping all over the place. Also, we set ourselves a nominal target of $200 earned in the 40 days. Now, a quick recap from video 1. We've found and verified our subject area. If you've not seen the first video, I'd recommend you watch it as it shows ideas for validating a niche or subject area. The subject we are going to explore is the signs of getting older and home treatments people can use to get rid of their facial wrinkles. We came across the use of light therapy masks, and in particular the growing trend for people using them at home to treat wrinkles, signs of ageing, as well as for skin ailments like acne scarring and other forms of skin pigmentation. So, where can we find light therapy masks as a product to promote? Well, as we're a new business with no track record, a good place to start will be the affiliate marketing platforms like ClickBank, CJ Affiliates, Digistore and others. If we take Digistore 24 as an example and we open up their site and head over to the product marketplace, here we can narrow a search to see what, if any, light therapy products they have that we could potentially promote in our content to earn affiliate commissions from. As we scroll down the pages, we can see a potential product that I've highlighted here with an orange arrow. It's a light therapy facial mask that offers a commission per sale of $45.74. Okay, so it's looking promising. But before we just decide to promote this mask, let's just check a few of the other metrics, as well as a bit more about the actual company that sells the masks to our potential audience. For instance, do they look professional and reputable? After all, we're going to potentially be promoting this product. Also, we can check other metrics here like return ratios, payment frequencies, cart conversions, etc. Also, does this work for us and our challenge? Based on the commission of $45.74, to hit our nominal $200, we will need approximately 4.5 sales over the 30 days of live launch. It's roughly 1.5 sales a week. Now, I know that adds up to 6 sales, but let's allow a couple of sales to be returned just to be safe. Remember that although we're doing this part-time in the light therapy market, you can use this methodology on any subject market and product you want to. It's up to you. Now, back to the affiliate resources page on the Digistore 24 platform. By clicking on the resources button and sales support buttons for the light therapy mask, we can see a little bit more about the company that sells them. Do we feel comfortable aligning with them? Yeah, it looks okay. And we can also see that the company that sells the masks offers other health and importantly light therapy products. This offers us the potential to grow our business further down the road with more product additions. Okay, decision made. We now have our product provider for the light therapy mask. And we also know which platform we're going to use, Digistore 24. So the next thing to do is set up and open our own affiliate account with Digistore 24 to allow us to promote the light masks and hopefully make some commissions on potential sales. Opening an account with Digistore is a very simple and straightforward process. We need to enter some personal details like name, address, region, etc. Also, we need a username. We can use anything we like, or if we have an overall business theme name in mind, we can use that. You will need an email address, and I would always recommend that you set up a completely separate email to use for your affiliate business from your personal ones. If you don't do this, it can become very messy later on, as all your emails start to get mixed up. Oh, and you'll also need to enter how you wish to be paid your commissions. For example, PayPal or bank transfer. Now that's done, we should receive an email from Digistore confirming our affiliate marketing account is set up and we are ready to promote our products. So, a quick recap of where we are. All working part-time, no more than 2 hours a day over a couple of days. We have identified our subject market. We have found the product that we wish to promote. We've found a company that sells our product and opened our affiliate marketing account with an affiliate marketing platform. All good work so far, but there are still a few more steps to cover as we set ourselves up to launch our affiliate marketing business. So join me in the next video out in a few days where we will decide on the content type we're going to create to promote our product and, importantly, where we're going to publish our content. Plus, we will identify if there are any other tools and or accounts we need to set up ready to launch our part-time affiliate marketing venture. Don't forget to like and do subscribe so you can get first notification of the next video and see if we can make any money in our first 40 days affiliate marketing. Until the next video, best regards.